It's here! The March Madness sale has arrived from March 13th to March 31st. With bigger discounts, better properties, and all brand new experiences. This is the time to pick a piece of land to call your own. What are you waiting for? Call us at 310-85-31455. LandSpot, your #1 choice for vacant land.
Wish there was a spot where you could develop a home with a floor plan that was perfect for you and your family? Then this could be exactly what you've been looking for. Find solace in this 0.34 acre property in Lancaster, South Carolina's Red Rose City. This lovely wooded home site is close to local conveniences and is perfect for a laid-back lifestyle. There is plenty of room to build your dream home. Electricity and water are readily available and accessible, and it has easy road access due to its proximity to the main road. Enjoy the peace and quiet of this private property as if you were on vacation.
The Land Spot. Hit like, subscribe, and call us at 310-85-31455.